It was 5 in the morning. The streets were quiet, but inside a dimly lit room, a boy named Arnold sat hunched over his books. His medical entrance exam was only months away. His friends were still asleep. Some had already given up, saying, "It's too hard. Let's just settle for something else." Arnold's eyes burned from endless nights without proper sleep. His head throbbed. His back ached from sitting too long. The fan above barely worked, and in the summer heat, sweat dripped on his notes. Sometimes, the letters on the page blurred through his tears. Mock exam after mock exam, he failed. Each red mark on his paper felt like a nail hammered into his chest. His relatives whispered, "Maybe he's not smart enough." His friends moved on with their lives, while Arnold sat alone, trapped between hope and despair. One evening, broken by another failure, he dropped his pen, slammed his book shut, and said to his father, "Dad, maybe I can't do this. Maybe all this pain is useless. Maybe I'm just not meant for this." His father looked at him for a long moment, then placed a hand on his shoulder. With a calm but firm voice, he said, "Arnold, listen to me. Pain today, power tomorrow. This suffering is not your enemy, it's your training. Every sleepless night, every tear, every frustration is forging you into someone stronger. Don't run from the pain. Endure it. It will become your power." Those words cut through the darkness in Arnold's mind. From that day, every time his body screamed to rest, he whispered to himself, "Pain today, power tomorrow." The nights grew longer, the struggle harder. He often studied through hunger because he didn't want to waste time. He pushed through exhaustion, his hands trembling as he wrote. His pillow carried silent tears, but his will carried hope. Finally, the exam day came. The same boy who once wanted to quit walked into the hall with swollen eyes, aching body, but a heart full of determination. He poured every drop of his pain onto the answer sheet. Weeks later, when results were announced, Arnold's name was on the merit list. His mother cried tears of joy. His father's proud smile shone brighter than any victory. And Arnold understood the endless nights of pain had not broken him, they had built him. Every sacrifice, every sleepless night, every struggle you face today is not wasted. Pain is temporary, but the strength it builds lasts forever. Success doesn't come easy. It comes to those who can endure the pain of discipline and patience.